Okay, the only thing that we left behind is the width, the overall width. Select OK. Select the surface, change transparency. Let's go. Click on the surface. Click on the sliding jaw here. Select Edit Part. Expand it. Expand this boss here. Select Edit Sketch. And in order to avoid to input one more value, you can select this line, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, select this line here, and make it collinear. Same with this line here. Select the line, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, and select this line here, collinear. That's it. Select OK. Select Exit Sketch. Select Edit Component to exit the component. And now let's have a look to check how this sliding jaw reacts when we change the width. Equations. Select Save. First of all, Save. Save all. Equations. Let's change the width to 260. Okay. As we can see, this sliding jaw change according to the given value of the width. Okay, that's it. In the next tutorial, we're going to have a look of how to set the equations for the upper jaw here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.